god, that's insane.
Yeah, pro tip for you Supra owners. If it's warmed up and you put it in sport mode before you start it, pops when you start it.
Alright, you guys have fun.
I'll try not to be terrified.
You want the windows down or?
Doesn't matter to me.
Even crack it a little bit. Alright. So what's the fastest car you've been in?
Oh, God. I'd have to say probably my dad's friend, Lamborghini Gallardo.
Okay.
Probably the fastest.
Those are pretty quick. I wish I was on E50 right now, but it'll still do alright.
Alright, that sounds real nice.
Not bad, huh?
Not at all.
Yeah, it's a lot slower right now on pump gas.
I mean, it still pulls pretty hard.
Yeah, it's like a lot faster on.
Oh, my neighbor would kill me if I had that.
Well, what's nice is all you do is turn sport mode off. Exhaust gets quieter, transmission shifts smoother.
Oh, wow.
Big
Whoa.
difference, huh?
Huge difference.
It's quiet. You just hear turbo.
Yeah, I just leave it on sport all the time just because my neighbor's a bit of a... Can't say the word, but yeah. Hence going to, doing the muffler delete.
Yeah, your Stinger's pretty quick, huh?
And I'd have to send my ECU out.
Oh, okay. What do they tune it with? Do you know? Which software?
I have no idea.
Because I know you can get the JB4.
That's what I have on mine right now.
Okay. But I don't know if anybody does like an actual flash. This thing handles amazing too.
Damn, this shit's quick.
Pump gas.
It's not bad for pump gas. That never gets old.
No. That was nice. I took this to Tucson and back yesterday. I just had a regular mode, cruised it. I was getting 33 miles per gallon round trip.
Wow.
And some pump gas, regular standard mode.
Yeah, this car is definitely impressive.
And it's got an 8-speed automatic. It's a ZF 8-speed, so pretty much exactly the same. There's slight differences, but pretty much exactly the same as like the Hellcats and the Demons have.
Oh, wow.
It's a ZF 8-speed, so yeah, it was at 80 miles an hour cruising at 2,000 RPM. It's just like it's nothing. 33 miles per gallon. Yeah, a little struck race car here. I got my GoPro mount and my little draggy. This is factory when they'll come with this.
Yeah, my wife, she was like, we went to the Toyota dealership, and she saw one, sounded one. She's like, let's get it. And I was like, you can only get one car, and right now the car for her is. Alright. Is it off? The handling is crazy good.
Right?
Wow. I'm in just awe.
And it's still stock height, so it's nice because I don't scrape anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
I want to lower it, but I don't want to be scraping everywhere.
Wow. I appreciate the ride.
Yeah,
That was
no
insane. This car, 2 thumbs up.
The mirror's cold as soon as you lock it. It's all in the settings, you can change everything. When I put it in reverse, the passenger mirror.
And we want to know what the experience was. How was the experience in the Supra?
Good.
Yeah.
Good, yeah.
It's slow right now.
How, like from 1 to 10?
Like how fast?
Like how was the experience?
I liked it. I mean, it wasn't the craziest as far as like pull that I've ever felt, but still.
Right.
And the handling, wow.
Yeah, and the positive. I mean, it sounded amazing.
And it's rear wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the handling, yeah, 2 thumbs up on that one.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah, it
nice.
doesn't even get sideways very easy
Yeah, 'cause
unless
with my-
you really try.
Yeah, with my car, there's no way you could do that without getting sideways.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, there you guys have it. There's a DB2 Supra. So hit him up. Hit him up. If you guys want your car to be doing all that crazy stuff. I mean, man, this car looks amazing inside. I love it. It looks awesome. And the best part is that, you know, he definitely tuned it right. So even his license plate is custom, so that's pretty dope. So right on. So just let us know what you guys think about this. And
So you almost want to sell my car.
and that's it. Thank you to Dallin Brewer for you know, having us here at his home, and for letting us, you know, let Paul go in his car. I've been in his car before, so I know it's crazy, but Paul definitely got to experience it. Definitely great experience, and
Oh yeah.
yeah. So that's it for Mr. DB Tune. Thank you so much, Dallin.
Yep. See ya.
Bye.